Okay guys, just as promised last time, I'm gonna show you what printing or printer paper I use to save a lot of money. And it's this one right here, Hammer Mill. This one, it's 99.99% jam free because the quality of this paper is actually really high. Let me turn on the printer so it has a warm up. Let me open up just a little bit of this box here and show you a few sheets really quick. And that's the paper that comes inside there. Let me get just one sheet alone, a single sheet, and it's actually not too thin. And I'm not sure if you can hear the sound of this one. And by sound alone, sometimes you can tell when a paper is actually really good quality. Now, let me print something really quick, and let's see what we're dealing with here. I'm gonna print a sample of I just put a laser cutter manual. I'm gonna do black and white. Now it might have a line on the side, a fade here. That's no fault of the paper, it's fault of my printer head. I'll have to take it one day and clean it, but that's besides the point of this video. As you see, it printed like it was butter. Not a single problem. And here's the printed paper. Boom. Look at the accuracy. Do you see edges bleeding or any problems at all? Look at that. It's what I would call the perfect printing. As you see here, every single page with real high accuracy. And in my opinion, this is the best printer paper that money can actually buy right now to save a lot of money and have real high quality paper for your printer. Now they sell a whole box. I think it comes with 5 or 6, if I'm not wrong. They still do that. I'll have to check with that. I'll leave links in the description for this one too. They'll ship it to your house. Again, I'm not sponsored or paid or sent anything for free or any of that, and they don't even know that I exist. I'm just doing it because I seriously want you guys to actually save as much as possible the same way that I'm doing it. And if I'm enjoying saving wherever I can, I like to share it with you because maybe it will help some of you out there. Maybe you have a lot of printing to do, or maybe you're in a tough spot and you just need some ink that will save you money and paper that will save you money because that's the most that you will spend anyway. Why not buy it in bulk? Both of them, the printer, the ink, and the paper. And that's how the pieces come in there. I think there's 500 sheets inside each one of them. Let me just show you here on camera. Yep, it is 500 sheets. Let me show you on this other camera right here real quick. As you see right there, that's 500 sheets of 20 pounds, whatever, how they measure that, which is 75 grams per square meter, and it's 8.5 by 11, and that's just beautiful. In my opinion, if you really want to save money and you have a lot to print, or even not, if not a lot, you have kids going to school and they need a lot of paperwork and all that, if that still happens in our schools, you cannot go wrong with Hammer Mill. It's seriously that good. And as you know, guys, if you ever watched my channel before, you know that I don't easily shill for a company, especially if I'm not even getting paid for it. But this company just rocks and will save you tons of money. You can just go ahead and buy the whole box and, set it and forget it. Seriously, paper for life, then, as it says right here. But yeah, that's pretty much all I can say about this one, seriously. And it takes 500 exactly on my printer. That's what I actually have loaded here. Not sure if you can see it, but that's full of this Hammer Mill paper. That's it. Same paper, boom. It's just that easy and that good. And I will leave links in the description, guys, for Hammer Mill. And I will see if they have any bulk deals still going on. I will leave a link to those two. And I will leave a link to their store. So you might just go take a look at it yourself and try to save some money and get some really high quality paper that will last you for quite a long time. And with that said, that's all I had to say for this video. And I hope it helps somebody out there. and we will see you next time. Bye!